Hello people, welcome back to the channel Baba Tutorials, and today we'll be talking about a new lesson, which is how to protect or how to password protect your Excel file in Excel 2007 or in Excel 2010. This method may not work in the latest version of Excel, which is 2019, 16 or 13, but this is especially for 2007, 10 or previous version than 2007. So to do that, I have created a new Excel file just now in front of you. So I'm going to type something here like name and address, let's say, or just type a phone number. Typing the name here, Alpha, and then a Bravo, Charlie. I give them the phone numbers 12345678890. So this is something like the personal information for me, and I really don't want it to be get it accessible by anyone. So what I do, I want to protect it. So what I'll do, I'm gonna protect it through the password so that no one is able to open it without my permission. So I'm gonna save this file. I'll show it to you again as we have already created and we have entered the information. Now I'm gonna click on this start menu or file option. I'm gonna save the file, of course, because I have created it. I'm going to create it on desktop and I'm going to name it as test password protect. Now, before I click on save button, I see another option here, tools. So I will click on tools and then I'll click on general options. As soon as I click on it, it says password to open, which is I'm going to enter as simple 123456. And if you want to give it the password to modify, you can also put it 123456, or you just only need the password that if someone actually has the password to open it, they can access it. So you do not need to put any password in it. But right now I'm putting it so that we can have a example of both in one particular sheet. I'm going to click on OK. It says re-enter the password you typed. So I have entered 123456 again. Re-enter the password to modify, and here it is. Now I'm going to click on save. It says saving the file. It has saved. I'm going to close the file. I saved it on desktop, so the icons were disabled. Let me just open the icons. Here it is. Here is the file test password protect. As soon as I open it, it says enter the password to open. I'm going to enter 123456, which we have entered. Now it says test result by this. What this is my computer name, all I need. So I'm going to enter the another password to modify it, which is 123456 again. You can see I have these details and then I can type anything here or I can open it. So now I'll just show it to you again that if you just want to open it and do not want to allow someone to modify it. So let's open it. Enter the password 123456, which is to open the file we have entered. Now to modify, we can click on cancel and you will still be able to, you are supposed to, but let me just check it again. There we go. So you just open the file, enter the password to open the file, which is 123456, and then enter it again by hitting the enter button. That's it. And then it will not let you add it or modify anything. If I try to save, it says test password protect read only. If you want to save this file, you need to make a copy of it. You cannot overwrite the particular file. So this is it in this video. I hope you liked it. If you really liked the video or found it informative, you may click on the like button on the video, and that's it. Thanks for your time. Take care. See you in the next video.